Hi, reading time again. Morning, everybody. Morning. Welcome welcome back to this channel where every morning, 5 o'clock in the day, there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Marian Lloyd Millen. What we want to know if you do, like the video, drop a comment below, click the notification bell so you don't miss none of what go on right just so every morning. And guess what? Share the video with your friend them so that them can hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language too. And if you want to know anything more about me, check the description box. Now, this morning, I'm going to read to now from Mark 13, 14 to 27.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
What going to happen when the time for the world done soon come? But when you say the wicked sitting will go against God, turn up in a God house, make sure say everybody will read this and understand what I mean. Then we live in a Judea, if run we go in at the mountain them. Who the on rooftop, no fi come down, or go back in at the house for nothing. Nobody with their bush, no fi go back, fi go get them jacket. What a sitting in a them time there for woman we have baby in a belly and for mother with a young baby. Pray so them sitting there not happen when storm a come or when a rainy time. Cause the way people go and suffer in a them time there, nobody never suffer so from the world, from God make the world. And nobody now go ever suffer so again. And nobody would have never get saved if the Lord never shortened the day them. But Seeker in special people were in pick, he might go shorten them. So if somebody say to you, look, see Christ here, or look, see him there, no believe him. Because people are going to come say, them are the one where God sent to save people. When nothing no go so. And some false prophet are going to show up too. Them people there are going to work all kind of miracle and show all kind of signs to trick up people. Down to all the people there where God pick, then we trick up if them get the chance. But what on yourself? Me a tell you now, all of them sitting here before them happen. But in a them day there, right after the terrible sufferation, the sun a go dark up and the moon a go top shine. The star a go drop out of the sky and everything in the sky a go get shake out of them place. Then everybody, we see the man where God pick a come in at the cloud, them, and him a go have power and one bright light a shine around him. Then, him will send him angel them to gather up the people them where him pick from north, south, east, and west, from every crevice and corner of the earth. And God was that. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.